Hello everyone, it's Jay again here, and if you're watching this tutorial, you probably saw my cube intro. Um, Basically right now I'm going to show you a few things on what you can do with this intro. Um, Now this intro is a little more advanced, just because of the camera movement and whatnot, but hopefully if you're new or you don't really use Blender and you're just trying to use this intro, um, I'll be able to help you out with all your questions in this tutorial. First off, you're going to need Blender to edit the intro, which is a free to download program and 100% safe. Then you'll need the download file, and you can just use whatever soundtracks you want. I put in the Move Like Jagger uh, music in the description as well for download. But right now, let's get started. Um, First off, you can see I have this graph right here. And basically what this is the speed of the camera. Um, so you can adjust the speed of the camera when the actual animation is playing. Notice how the camera moves from side to side, adding that effect that you can use to get a surround view. Um, so what you're going to want to do if you want to change the speed of the camera, basically you just come over here to this graph, have it set at 1, or, well, you can, it doesn't really make a difference, I guess. But have the camera selected, and if you go over here, you can press G and then X, and then put in a number that you would want the speed of the camera to go. I'm going to show you the difference if I put in, right now it's at 5, so let's see what it would be if I put in it at 2, right? Now the camera speed is at 2. Didn't make a huge difference. Now you're gonna see this every time you're gonna change the speed, it's gonna move um, these keyframes. So basically, the easiest way to solve this is you just press G over here, and you can slide it over, and you can see that the keyframes move. Um, you're gonna want to try and keep it on the lines that it was on in the first place. Um, so I know it's on this line. I can press G and slide it over to, let's say, here. Now you notice the speed of the camera is a little bit faster than it was before. So basically that doesn't really make a difference. 5 seemed to work the best for me, and I would recommend keeping it at the normal speed. So if you're just going to keep the normal speed, you don't have to mess with this. So you can slide this over. Um, Now what you're going to want to do is color-wise. In my Sphere intro tutorial, I already showed you how to do color, so if you've seen that, you should already know how to do this. But for anybody who's just seeing this for the first time, I'm going to do a quick review. Basically, right click on the cube, and it'll highlight the cube. Now you're going to come over, and there's going to be a circle here. It's going to say material. Go ahead, click that, and go down, and you'll have diffuse. Just go ahead, and you can select whatever color you want. I'm going to do pink for breast cancer. Now you have a pink cube. You can also change the color of the text. Just right click again, keep it on material, plus new, and you can give it whatever color you want. We'll go with lime green. Then I can also use this and then just click on name, and it gives you that same color. Then I can do it again. This makes it a lot faster if you want the text to all be the same color. As long as you have a clear selection. There we go. And that's that. Oh yes, changing the text. Right click on the text that you want to change. Go down here where it says object mode. Just go ahead and click edit. Keep your mouse on the screen and oh gosh. Alright, there we go. And it types like normal. So I'm going to put my friend's YouTube account name. Check them out. And once you're done typing, just go back and do that. Go back to object mode after you're done typing and it'll save it. Now let's go back in the camera so I can show you guys something. Now, I know that the name box is pretty small when you watch the intro. Now you can see that his name goes off a little bit. So what you're going to want to do is, while you're in camera view, just hold down the scroll button, click it and hold it down, and you get to pan around. And if you scroll, it zooms in and out. So if you want to shorten this, right click, and what you can do is you can scale it. So while you're on the screen here, just in any space, preferably around this area of the white circle, press S. It'll pop up like this, and you can shrink the name. And yeah. Now you might say this shortens. This gives it a bad view. Um, you might say that gives it a bad view, but really it doesn't make a difference because the distance of the camera from the cube, you can see it really easily. Now after you've changed the size, you can just remove the keyframe that's already in, press I. Oh, sometimes it lags for my computer. And then just press location and it should be fixed. So now when we watch it again, fits perfectly into the cube and you can see it just fine, as you see right there. Well, that's pretty much it for this. I'm pretty sure you wouldn't be using this, but I included it just in case. I showed you how to change the text, the color of the text, and the color of the cube, and pretty much everything else you can just keep the same. There's nothing really else I could think of that you would want to change. But after you're done editing, you click on this camera over here, and this doesn't matter right here. Just minimize it all the way. And if you come down here, you can change it to an AVI RAW, and just click that button and select your file. I have a Blender folder that I made on my desktop, and give it a name. So let's do cube intro. Let's call it 5. Accept. And then once you're done, just animate it. I'm not going to animate it, but well, I guess I can. It's going to pop up like this, and it's going to go frame by frame and generate each frame. And then once you're done, it should turn out something like this. This is the shortened version because I didn't finish it all the way. But you know, it's going to turn out something like this. And then the camera's going to move along the path. And now to turn it into a... Now to add music is what I'm trying to say. Is once you get your animation rendered, you're going to right click on it and you're going to say open with Windows Live Movie Maker. And just add music. Now I don't know if Mac has or Apple has a software like this. If you leave in the comment if they do, if you have a Mac and you know, that would be appreciated. But anyway, for Windows, you can just go to Windows Live Movie Maker, add music, and you can just add different musics, and then it'll play with music. After rendered, it should come out to about the same time of mine. To add an ending, you can do... Well, I guess you wouldn't really need an ending. You could just cut off the video, add some text at the end, maybe a caption. But yeah, so after you're done adding music or whatnot, you save movie, recommended, then just give it a name, put in Cube Intro 2, and then save it to a destination. Go ahead and save it. After it's done, it'll pop up. Just say close, exit, say no, and here it is. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comments box. Other than that, check out my YouTube page after you're done watching this tutorial. Check out my other videos, and hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.